Hello, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Hope everybody had a great Wednesday. Hope everybody had a great start to their week. Before I get started, please give me a thumbs up on my video so I could get into the analytics and more people can see it. Today is a fast day for me, but as y'all know, or as I may told y'all, I do modified alternate day fasting, which means I take in 500 calories or less on my fasting days. That's just what works for me. 40 hours is a bit much for me not to have anything. And so instead of, waiting all hours of the morning, knowing that I'm going to get hungry and the hunger pains is not going to go away, I just go ahead and eat something at a decent time and be done with it. So tonight I have some, let me pray. Okay, I'm back. So these are my boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And then some mixed veggies I got from Trader Joe's. It came in a bag together. So, and then I have my coffee with my collagen in it. So with my coffee and everything that I put in it and my food right here, it is 354 calories, 39 grams of protein, 20 grams of fat, 1 gram of fiber, 18 grams of total carbs, 9 grams of net carbs. So I'm under 500 and that's fine. This is enough. And this will take me into tomorrow when I end my fast sometime tomorrow night. So you won't think I'm lying. Last time I ate was 10:43 p.m. last night. So it's been 23 hours since I ate. So it's almost like a OMAD-ish, 23-1. I don't know. But again, my calories are 1,700 a day. I try to get there at least 1,500. But yeah, so on my fasting days, I eat way less than what I'm supposed to be eating every day. So I just wanted to come in and show y'all my food. And until next time, peace. Hello, happy Thursday, everybody. Wanted to come and show y'all my small sprouts pickup today. Before we get into it, please give a thumbs up on your way in. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know when I upload. So, I got some pork sausage. I'm gonna make me a pizza tonight, so I wanted sausage and pepperoni pizza. These are some veggies for on my eating days, for me and my son. And my daughter if she wants. And then I fixed some of these yesterday and I really liked them, so I went back and got 3 more packages. I got me some pears, they're organic. Got me 2 yellow dragon fruits, 2 small kiwis, my pistachios. I got me some drinks. This is 0-calorie ginger ale, so I'm gonna see how that tastes. This is new too, San Pellegrino and Clementine Peach. Then I'm trying a new toothpaste. These are toothpaste tablets. The last time I tried toothpaste tablets and they were actually really good. They called Toothy Tabs at Lush, but I didn't want to have to go all the way to the mall just to get toothpaste, but they were really good and cleaned well. So I want to try these by Hello. Before that I was using a tooth powder. And then I saw this in there too, and I wanted to give it a try, mouthwash. And I got me some chicken wings for tonight. I didn't want to open up a whole big pack from my crowd count order, so I just got 6 for myself because my son is going to have hot dogs and onion rings, so these are for him. And I bought some hot dog rolls. And I think with all of this, it was about $90. Price of food has gone up for not much. So this is my Sprouts pickup for the week. I'll be back soon. So hello, happy Saturday. So I'm eating dinner. And I'm sorry I didn't record this recipe. Maybe the next time I make it, I will. But I fried some wolffish. I used almond flour, a little almond flour mixed with my Pork King crushed pork rinds, and some avocado oil. I pan fried it. And this right here is a different type of macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna eat my food once before it get cold. These noodles are chickpea noodles by Bonza. I believe that's how you say it. I'm trying different, like, healthier noodles than regular noodles. And chickpea noodles is a healthier noodle. I also have red lentil. I was going to try both, but I ain't feel like messing around with both of them noodles. So in this, you can use whatever noodles you want. Some bacon chopped up. Some heavy whipping cream. Some smoked Gouda cheese. And this seasoning called umami, Yumi or something like that. Let me see. It's called umami, UMAMI seasoning. I bought mine from Sprouts, but I think they sell it at Target. And Walmart is umami. And I just sprinkled a little bit of umami season on it, maybe a teaspoon. I used a whole box of chickpea Bonza noodles, and just mix it together and put the pot on low just so the cheese and everything can melt together. And then you mix it up, and that's it. Quick and easy. So you got new macaroni noodles or whatever kind of noodles you want, bacon chopped up, umami seasoning, smoked Gouda cheese, heavy whipping cream. Cook your pasta as per the directions. Once your pasta is finished, you drain it and dump all the ingredients in. You want shredded Gouda because it'll melt easier. Stir it up and let it melt, and voila. So this is my dinner for Sunday. And then I got my San Pellegrino Clementine Peach sparkling drink right here. And I'm gonna make it do what it do. So until next time, peace. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button if you're not, and the notification bell so you can know when I upload. Bye.